Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the mouse sensitivity on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go ahead and start off by opening up the search magnifying glass. And you want to search for mouse settings. Best result should come back with mouse settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you should have a lot of options here right away. So if you want to adjust the mouse pointer speed, you can make it slower or faster again by dragging the bar to the left or the right. And you can do the same thing as well for the lines to scroll at a time. So if you're trying to scroll faster up or down, by moving it further to the right, it should scroll quicker. It should be more responsive and more sensitive to that feature. And you can also scroll in active windows and hovering over them. You can keep that on or off. And you want to go underneath more settings, like more of the old-fashioned control panel settings that's more detailed. You can go underneath where it says additional mouse settings. So you can go ahead and select that. And again, you can see a lot of the options we already were going through, like double click speed. You can actually adjust that to make it go quicker or slower. You go over to the pointers tab, you change your pointer. Pointer options, you can adjust your pointer speed as well. And you can adjust your pointer speed to how quickly it will scroll and move across your screen here. Hide the pointer while typing. And the wheel, you can adjust how many number of lines it moves at a time. You can bump it up or down. Same for horizontal scrolling. And you can also check for updates too. It'll take us to the device manager. We go underneath properties here, and then you can go ahead and actually update drivers. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.